Hello, students. I want to ask you something. What do you do, children, when you have marriage function at home? Well, I feel marriages are all about happiness, enjoyment, food, reunion of family. Yes, and one more thing, of course, that is shopping. Yes, but why is this little girl Nina doesn't want to shop? She refuses to go for the wedding. Let's see what's bothering her. In the story, Nina and her baby sparrows. Let's read and understand the story. So the story is like this. There was great joy at Nina's house. Her aunt was getting married. Her father's sister was her aunt. She was getting married. Everyone was excited to attend the wedding at Delhi except Nina. Wedding means marriage ceremony. So her whole family was busy shopping. Children, usually our mother takes us to buy new clothes and sometimes shoes and sometimes matching clips also, right? Similarly, Nina's mother also took her to the market to buy her a new dress. But can you imagine? She refuses to buy new clothes. Her mother reminded her about lovely white shoes that she saw last week, but she did not show any interest. She didn't agree to buy. On seeing this, Nina's mother got upset, but did not say a word at that time. They went back home to have lunch. Mother was curious to know what is the matter with her darling daughter. What was wrong with her? This was not her usual behavior. Students, here is an advice for you. Whenever you have any problems or any questions or doubts regarding anything, discuss them with your parents. Talk to your parents. You will get the best solutions of your questions and problems, right? You can always talk to them, trust them. Okay? Now, back to the story. When Nina's mother asked the reason for being upset, Nina told her mother that she doesn't want to come for wedding. After saying this, she kept quiet. Two big tears rolled down on her cheeks. Her mother hugged her and told her not to cry. Now again more tears rolled down on her cheeks. Now she came up with her problem. She told her mother that there was a sparrow nest on the bookshelf in her room. There were two nestlings in that nest. Oh, I see, said the mother. Students, when we are in growing stage, we need more food, right? Similarly, these little sparrow babies were just growing their feathers. So they need more food. This made them hungry. All day long they kept crying for food. So Nina said, if we go, Mama, whole house would be locked. Then how would the mama and the papa sparrow would feed their babies? Her mother hugged her tightly and asked if that was the only reason for not going for wedding to Delhi, then she could solve the problem. As every problem has a solution, here is the solution of Nina's problem. Mother said they could keep the windows of her room open so that Mama and Papa Sparrow feed their babies. Nina jumped with happiness and excitement and said, "Can we, Mama? Can we really?" She said, "Yes, we can. We can remove all the things from her room and lock the door outside so that Papa and Mama sparrows can move in and out freely," she said. So Nina gave a thought that while she would be enjoying at the wedding, these babies would be getting up nice fat with feathers. She went for the wedding. She enjoyed a lot there. When she returned, there were two fat sparrows flying all over the room. Oh, Nina was so happy. So this is the story. Now let's see the hard words. Repeat after me. LUNCH, lunch. NOTHING, nothing. EVERYTHING, everything. WEDDING, wedding. CHEEKS, chicks. BOOKSHELF, bookshelf. FEATHERS, feathers. PERFECTLY, perfectly. PROBLEM, problem. PLUMP, plump. MARKET, market. REMOVE, remove. IDEA, idea. BOTHER, bother. Now let's see the meanings. Wedding, a marriage ceremony. Except, not including. Upset, unhappy. Market, a place for sale and purchase of things. Problem, difficulty. Roll down, move down. Bothering, worrying. Feed, to give food to. Leave, to give up. Remove, to get rid of. Come back, return. Plump, chubby. Thrilled, excited. Lovely, very beautiful. To dress, to put on one's clothes. Most of us have a childhood memory of waking up to the sparrow chirps. The small birds used to be all over the verandas and the balconies early in the morning. However, over the time, these birds started vanishing and their place was taken by long electric cables in the balcony, and their nests were replaced by the concrete jungles of the city. Sadly, the sparrow population has been disappearing at an alarming rate. The World Sparrow Day is an international initiative observed on March 20th to raise awareness of the falling population of house sparrows and other common urban birds. And this much for today.